And that's where we're going to begin with the severe weather and the dangerous temperatures in much of this country. Powerful storms swept across much of the East Coast yesterday, knocking out power to hundreds of thousands of customers from North Carolina to New York. The rains really came down. This morning, the brutal heat is on the way for tens of millions of people in the Midwest and the East Coast, too. We expect to see about, listen to this, 75 record temperatures between now and Monday. Yowza. CBS News meteorologist Rob Marciano is on the beach in New York. Rob, good morning to you. It seems like the beach is a good place to be right now.
You're right about that. Certainly through the weekend and into next week, Gayle. Good morning to you. Summer arrives tonight at 10:42 Eastern time, and right on cue, Mother Nature is cooperating with a heat wave building the hottest air of the year into the Midwest and eventually really the eastern two-thirds of the country. So let's get right to it. We've got a number of heat watches and warnings up, really over 20 states already from the east through the Midwest that are in the alert zone, and this number will only grow as we go through the weekend. So temperatures on tomorrow are going to be in the 90s in places like Des Moines, up and over 100 degrees in Lincoln, Nebraska. And the numbers on the right side of your screen, they include humidity. So that's what it's going to feel like with your body, and that's when it starts to get dangerous, when you get 105, 110 heat indices. And that's going to happen for Saturday. Same for Sunday. The heat begins to stretch off towards the east. Potential record high temperatures. And these, by the way, are measured in the shade. 100 expected on Sunday in Omaha. 96 in Chicago. That's going to feel hot in the city. Certainly get to the lake if you can. 93 in Scranton. And then even pushing even farther to the east. Here we go. I-95 corridor. You're into too as well. Sunday, money, upper 90s in D.C. and Richmond, New York City, all the way up to Boston. That includes Tuesday and Wednesday, too. So, yeah, get to the beach if you can this weekend. Water temperatures have responded to some of this heat and come up a few degrees the past week or so. 66 degrees across parts of the northeast beaches. The water temperatures at Virginia Beach, 74 degrees. That's going to be a great spot, but still warm. We're not going to see much in the way of onshore flow, so temperatures will still be toasty at the beaches there. We'll talk more about heat safety throughout the morning, really throughout the summer, Tony. This is not going to be the first heat wave, as you can imagine, as we begin this summer season. Tony?
All right, Rob, thank you very much. Appreciate it.